Before beginning this procedure, be sure to remove the snowblower start key from the ignition. To replace the clutch cable, your first step is to remove the mounting screws securing the belt cover. And pull the cover off. Next, press down on the idler arm and release the old cable from the arm. Now route the old cable out of the brackets and cover assembly. Slide up the clutch spring cover. Note the orientation of the old cable Z-end in the cable adjuster and remove. Install the new clutch cable by inserting the Z-end into the appropriate hole in the cable adjuster and slide down the cover. Route the new cable through the cover assembly and brackets. Press down the idler arm and insert the second Z-end into the hole in the arm. Confirm that the cable functions properly. Replace the belt cover and secure the screws. With the new clutch cable installed, you can now return the start key to the ignition.